Welcome to my YouTube channel, Break the Knowledge Barrier. I'm Naprit Kaur and I always try to give you the best possible videos to score higher bands in your IELTS examination. In this today's video, I would be highlighting a cue card. This is a sample cue card which you can follow and get higher bands in your IELTS speaking module. इस वीडियो ਵਿੱਚ मैं एक सैंपल क्यू कार्ड ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ IELTS ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਮੋਡਿਊਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਾਇਰ ਬੈਂਡਸ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਆਬਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਲਏ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਏ ਜਾਂ ਜੇ ਲਏ ਨੇ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਅਨਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਨੇ so that it will help you to improve your speaking module and help you to answer your cue card in a better manner. मैं इस तरह ਦੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਗੀ ਅੱਗੇ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਏ ਤਾਂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਬਟਨ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰੋ ਐਂਡ ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਈ ਤਾਂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਉਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ so that I can improve it in the future. And please also don't forget to press the bell icon and the subscribe button so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos. The cue card is describe something that had broken in your home and then repaired. You should say what it is, how it was broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. In spite of taking care of our belongings, we sometimes tend to damage them unintentionally. One such incident that I want to describe was when I broke down my laptop while taking my online classes. I accidentally threw a glass of water on the table, and in order to protect my laptop, I hurriedly picked it up with my other hand, but I couldn't balance it and unfortunately it fell down. It was the last day of my classes and I had to prepare my assignment which had to be submitted within 2 days. Being the weekend, it was difficult for me to approach the company service center to get it repaired. As such, I had no option left but to either try myself to repair it or to find a local repair center which could solve my problem so that I could submit my assignment in the stipulated time frame. Repairing the laptop was an uphill task for me since I wasn't technically sound and had no knowledge about repairing the electronic items. Ultimately, I decided to visit the nearest computer repair shop and requested him to repair my laptop urgently. The repairing expert was kind enough to understand my problem and he immediately inspected the laptop. Within a few minutes, he was able to find the fault. According to him, the damage was not much, but there was a connection that had given way, disconnecting my screen with the motherboard. Thereafter, he connected the loose joint and the device started working perfectly. I had a sigh of relief after seeing this, although I had to shell out some money, but it was the need of the hour since submission of my assignment was important for clearing my semester exams.